This is the first part of Nyan Cat Meets Ginger. This took months of work, so please make sure to like and subscribe and check out our Google site down below to see all episodes just like this. Enjoy the video!
I've invited my friend over today, but she is late. I wonder who that could be.
Hello, Nyan Cat.
Oh, hi, Ginger.
Hello, Nyan Cat. I made cupcakes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's eat them after dinner.
When is dinner?
6 o'clock.
What's for dinner?
Fries and burgers from Ghost McDonald's.
Yay, that's my favorite! 1 hour later.
It's 5:03 now, Ginger. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you want some dog food?
Yes, please.
Here's some dog food, Ginger.
Who are you?
I am a server for Nyan Cat.
Oh, okay. I'll take my food now. Thank you, bye. The servant leaves without a word. Nom, 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 nom.
I'm feeling a bit dizzy.
Flashback. Maybe I should TP Nyan Cat's house. She'll never catch me. Yeah, she's not gonna know. I just know it for a fact. So Nyan Cat got back to her house and had this reaction.
Who TP'd my house?
She'll never know it was me.
Was it Ginger? I'm gonna poison her back for this.
End of flashback. When Ginger woke up, she came to a very big surprise. Help me! Someone help me!
Finally, I got revenge on you.
You found out about that?
Yes, you TP'd my house.
Thud. Well, are we still gonna have dinner?
Yes.
Yay! At dinner time. Nyan Cat, when is dinner gonna get here?
Soon.
I hope soon is not that long. I cannot wait here for that much longer without starving. Ding dong.
I wonder what that could be.
Hello, this is Ghost McDonald.
Oh no, it's Jenna. Please do not hack my Roblox account.
I will not hack your Roblox account. I am just trying to do my job. Anyway, I have the order of 2 hamburgers, 2 large fries, and 2 Cokes. They're now starting to eat.
Why did you TP my house, Ginger?
Oh, I just felt like it.
Well, that wasn't nice.
Oh shoot, I did not know that. I'm sorry.
I do not forgive you.
Why?
I don't know. You did it. So,
Well, okay. How can I make it up to you?
for me to forgive you, you have to do my homework for a week.
Why do I get treated like this? I guess I did the crime, so now I have to do the time. By the way, are you blackmailing me?
Fine, I forgive you, but never do it again.
Okay, fine. I won't do it again. But to make sure I don't do it again, I'll give you a paw promise.
Okay, we can do a paw promise.
Alright, let's do it. Paw promise! We just paw promised. Yay!
What the heck was that noise? Anyway, yay! Okay, Ginger, we just paw promised, so you have to keep it.
Oh, okay. That's what promises are for, right?
Yeah, just don't break it. I guess the visit's over for the day.
Okay. See you later, Nyan Cat. Bye. This is what Ginger looked like on her way out. Like I'm not gonna break it. I'm gonna get revenge on her. and hanging me upside down. To be continued. Well, that was the end of part 1. And not gonna lie, this video has 100 clips. Look at this picture at the top. Look at this picture right here. See that? I actually have 100 clips in this video. So if you were to like, subscribe, and comment, I would be very happy. And if we get 1 like, I'll make part 2. How about that? Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye. And by the way, this video will be on the Google site soon. Make sure to check the description near the evening of today's video, because I will be posting this on the Google site, and I'll leave it in the description once it's out on the site. So yeah, and have a good day, afternoon, or night. If you're watching this in the future, then thank you for watching. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch one of our others.